In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Elementor website using WordPress. Keeping a backup is crucial for your website's safety and ensures that you're prepared for any future mishaps like data loss or issues during updates. So let's dive in and guide you through this simple process. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. From there, we're going to navigate to the Plugins section, which you can find on the left-hand side of your screen. Hover your cursor over it, and a small menu will pop up. Here, you'll click on Add New. This will bring you to a page where you can explore a variety of plugins available for WordPress. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar in the top right corner. In this search field, type in Updraft Plus. Updraft Plus is a highly popular backup plugin with excellent user reviews and robust features that can securely back up your Elementor website with ease. When the search results appear, locate the Updraft Plus plugin. You'll notice a button labeled Install Now. Go ahead and click it. Once WordPress has finished installing the plugin, this button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to make sure the plugin is turned on and ready to use. With the plugin activated, look back to the left-hand menu on your WordPress dashboard. Find Settings, hover over it, and then click on Updraft Plus Backups. This section is your main hub for all things related to your site's backups. Inside, you'll find various options that allow you to manage and schedule your backups. The next step is crucial: initiating a backup. You'll see a button that says Backup Now. Click on it to start the backup process. This will open a small dialog box with some selectable options. Here, you want to ensure that both Include your database in the backup and Include your files in the backup are checked. Checking these ensures a complete backup of your site, covering all your data and files necessary for a full site restoration if needed. After you've selected these options, proceed by clicking the blue Backup Now button in the dialog box. The plugin will then begin creating a backup of your website. Depending on the size of your website, this might take a few moments. So sit tight while Updraft Plus works its magic. Once the backup process is completed, you'll have the option to download these files to your local computer for safekeeping. Having a local copy of your site's backup is a smart move in case you encounter server issues in the future. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to download and store the backup files in a secure location on your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up your Elementor website using the Updraft Plus plugin. Remember, routine backups are a great maintenance habit to ensure your site is always protected.